This is going to be a video tutorial on how to stop profile updates from being sent out when using LinkedIn. Normally, if you update your job status or your school status or anything on your profile, updates are automatically sent out to everybody in your network, but you can actually turn that off. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up and I'm logged into the LinkedIn app. To turn off profile updates, first thing you'll do is click on your profile icon up in the upper left hand corner. You'll tap on it. Then you'll tap on Settings. Now you will tap on Visibility. And then you will scroll down to where you see the section that says Visibility of your LinkedIn activity, and you want to tap on Share Profile Updates with your network. Tap on that. And then you want to make sure that this slider is turned off. If it's turned on, it will share any updates you have made with everybody in your network. If you don't want updates being sent out about your profile, just turn that slider off. As you can see, mine is turned to off. That is on, and that is off. That is how you turn off profile updates using the LinkedIn app. Thanks for watching.